Hi, my name is Paul Selking, Vice President of Commercial Sales and Marketing at WaterFurnace, and welcome to the Ask the Expert, your go-to resource for all things geothermal. Let's dive in. Can a geothermal system be retrofitted into an existing building, or is it more suitable for new construction? Geothermal is great for both new construction and retrofit. I'm standing here in our site here in Fort Wayne, where we're in the middle of expanding our facility with a brand new 170,000 square foot area right behind me. That area will be connected to a geothermal pond loop and our existing 90,000 square foot facility. One of the great things about geothermal for both retrofit and new construction is that you can leverage an existing pond for both. Or you can have a vertical or a horizontal bore field, and that bore field can also be expanded as you expand your footprint. Or in the case of a brand new greenfield area, you can start fresh with either a new pond or a new bore field that will then be the source for geothermal heating and cooling for the life of that building.